Gmail just got a major holiday-ready glow-up, and your inbox notifications are about to get way smarter. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Google is rolling out a fresh update for Gmail on Android that brings slick new attachment preview directly in your notifications. Now, when an email hits your inbox, the compact alert will show the sender's name and a sneak peek of any attachment, making it easier to see what's important without opening the full email. Expand the notification and you'll get an even bigger preview, although the email body itself is replaced if an attachment is included. This seemingly small tweak is a huge quality of life boost, especially for anyone drowning in holiday emails, promo offers, or work attachments. The rollout started last week, but like many Google updates, it's slow and will reach everyone in phases. Gmail's upgrades don't stop at notifications. The app's Purchases tab now has an Arriving Soon section, giving a bird's eye view of all orders and tracking info perfect for keeping tabs on those Black Friday deals. Meanwhile, the Promotions tab will tell you about offers you might actually care about. For professionals, Gmail's one-tap appointment booking makes scheduling meetings outside your organization even easier. Workspace users can add booking pages straight into an email draft, send it, and let recipients pick a time without leaving Gmail, thanks to calendar integration. With these updates, Google's making sure Gmail isn't just an email client. It's a smarter, more organized command center for both work and holiday prep. Gmail's no longer just about emails. It's about getting more done faster and with less hassle. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider.